I'm going to show you how to nail your first work meeting with a socializing element in your new job using business English. Picture this, you've started a new job and your manager invites you to grab lunch with a few teammates. Feeling eager but slightly anxious, you make your way to the cafe. Let's observe as you meet colleagues Anna, Tomas and Lisa for the first time over your meal. Let's go.
Hi there, I'm Anna, one of the senior account managers. You must be Ivan, our new marketing specialist.
Yes, pleasure to meet you, Anna, and all of you. I'm really excited to join the team here.
We're so glad you're here. Let me introduce you. This is Tomas from Finance, and Lisa on the sales team.
Welcome aboard, Ivan. It's nice to have you. We could definitely use another perspective on the marketing projects.
For sure. Oh, and I remember my first weeks here. It was information overload. So, I can relate if you ever want to vent or chat.
Thanks, Lisa. I may well take you up on that offer. Starting any job is stressful, so it helps to meet friendly faces. So how long have you all been working at Banksco Industries?
Well, I was pretty early on. Joined when we were just a tiny startup with a handful of staff. So I think, getting close to 8 years now since I started here.
And I joined a couple of years after you, Tomas. So I have about 5 years here. The time has really flown by.
Amazing. You both saw the full evolution from scrappy underdogs to the thriving company we are today. I'd love to hear about what it was like in those wild early days.
Oh gosh, yes. I have so many stories. When I first joined, it was literally just 10 of us crammed in a tiny rented office downtown, handling everything from sales pitches to filing paperwork. You name it.
Yeah, I remember our lunchroom was a fold-out table in the supply closet. And things were always chaotic, but exciting, pulling all-nighters to get projects done.
Wow, so you've seen all the major milestones firsthand then. Getting funding, moving to this office, expanding the product line. That must have been quite a ride.
It really was. Of course, with rapid growth came growing pains too. Some hiccups with new hires, tech delays, but overall, I'm proud to see what we've built.
That's so cool. You both have that insider view. I only joined after we opened this snazzy new headquarters, so, playing office historian here, did we really start with just 10 staff?
The chat continues. You all bond over watching the company evolve firsthand. You ask questions about their roles, biggest projects, corporate culture, and so on. In return, they give you tips for excelling at your new workplace. The hour flies by before you know it. This has been so great getting to meet you all. I really appreciate you taking the time.
Of course, we'll have to do this more often.
Yes, feel free to ask us anything, and good luck with your first week.
I'm happy to be your mentor too. If you ever need guidance, my door is always open.
So, what skills did Ivan use in controlling that conversation? And the answer is that Ivan was particularly skillful in having the ability to ask questions, and he was certainly an engaged, active listener when making new work connections. And what 4 key points were covered in the conversation? Let's take a look. Introducing ourselves. Discussing professional backgrounds, bonding over watching the business evolve, laying the groundwork for mentorship opportunities. Don't forget to check out this free ebook on our website, the link is below, and if you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next lesson.